Good afternoon, viewers. Tonight I'm sleeping here, the Hotel Nicanor, which is just behind the boulevard in Dumaguete and a stone's throw from the big shopping street. I booked here because I got a single room at a very good rate, 1,450. Just down there is the seafront, and just there is a shopping street. You can park your bike here out front. So let's go and check it out. Hello. Hello. It's nicely decorated, this place. This is a communal area upstairs, and this is my room. The single room was a lot cheaper than a double. You just get a single bed, but it all looks very clean. All these are TV channels. That's quite unusual. Inside there is your towel. There's a TV, a water jug, water, and a 3-in-1 coffee. Window looking out onto nothing. Nothing to see there. And the bathroom is huge. Very big shower, all tiled. The bathroom is huge. Toilet down there, sink, toothpaste and toothbrush, shampoo and soap. All you need for a comfortable night's stay, and a nice clean single bed, which was very comfortable. Even USB wall plugs. The TV, does it work? If you got the channels it says. I'm not sure what cable provider this is. This is common in Dumaguete. And it works. Let's try some other channels. BBC Earth. Yep, it's a good clear TV. And it works very well. In Thailand, TV channels are useless. If you want hot water, there isn't a kettle in your room. It's just a water jug. But you can get hot water here. And cold. But for your coffee. This is the Wow Negros channel. Never seen that before. Right, I'm done. I've checked out. Time to go. Off to my next destination.